And you can see here we have someone that has earned $600. We have another one, 500. Here's another one, 550. Ordinary people worldwide are making money here. All you have to do is just go to What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you how you can earn $600 or even more. I'm not gonna share with you the site here, but I'm actually gonna share with you the actual strategy to do this. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, so as I said, I'm gonna show you here how you can earn this amount of money here, $600 or even more. Now, first off, a disclaimer, results are not typical. Use this information at your own risk. But if you don't watch the whole video, you might not get any results at all. So that is why it's so important to watch the whole video so you can get the exact strategy that is needed to do this right. Now, if you are interested in make money online, internet marketing and a lot more, make sure you also subscribe to my other YouTube channel, which is My IM Tips. You're going to find a link at the top and in the description below. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real long-term sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at when we finish this video, of course. But for now, let's get started to see how we can earn $600 or even more. Let's go. Alright guys, so first off, I'm gonna share with you the site here, but as I said, I'm gonna share with you also the strategy on how you can do this. So bear with me here. I'm gonna walk you through a little bit here about the website first, and then we're going to have a look at the strategy on how to do this actually. So basically we are going to squadhelp.com, and what happens here is that people, companies, they come here, they want to find a name for a website, for a brand, or actually some logos also. So if I scroll down a little bit here, you can see here that I have premium names for sale. And basically when companies come here, they are going to see why Squad Help, for of course, because they do have the largest naming community. There is high quality and collaboration and agency level features also. So this is the world's #1 naming platform. But they do have also logos. People are come here, they want to have logos, because look at this. It's not only about names. Names first, our unique approach allows you to receive an unmatched breadth of business name ideas from the world's largest community of naming experts. And here we have tagline and slogan. So if this is something that you can apply for, it's even better. But we also have this one here regarding logo designs. And I'm going to share with you the strategy on how you can do this totally free, both this and this, my friends. So that's why I said bear with me here. But we do need to have, of course, an idea here, so that's why I want to scroll down a little bit about the website. You can see here it has been featured in Forbes, Chicago Tribune, and Mashable. So it is a legit site, guys, okay? Because I do get the question if it is legit or not. So we can have a look at the section where it says how it works. So they do explain it here. But we are actually not interested in this, because we want to scroll down a little bit here to the bottom. And you can see here, we want to go to the section where it says become a creative. So if I open this up in a new tab, you can see here that if you think that you are creative, join our community and participate in branding contests. And you can see here, to learn more, we just scroll down a little bit. You submit your ideas in naming, slogan or logo contests, and you earn cash awards if your idea is selected by the company. Contest holders rate your ideas and provide feedback. You earn badges and points and bragging rights when your ideas are liked. Now basically, the more that we apply here, the more opportunities we have to earn more money, okay? here are some frequently asked questions that I think is important that we have a look at before we actually proceed here to how to do this. So you can see here, how will I get paid? We are talking about PayPal money here, of course. And you can see here, do you require any other documentation? Pretty obvious that it is actually required, okay? And when can I participate in my first contest? Once you join, we will assign you 2 contests so you can start participating immediately. Once your ideas are liked in few contests, you will automatically receive full access to participate in all contests. So you don't have to actually participate in all contests, as you can see here. You can decide whether or not to participate in contests here. And am I guaranteed to earn cash by participating? There is no guarantee, because if you don't win, you will not make money. But as I said, I'm going to share with you here a strategy on how you can apply for actually both logo designs and both naming here. And this is going to be super easy, totally free online. Alright, so basically you have to hit the join now, fill in the details here. I'm not going to go through the details. Now the next thing that we need to do, let's have a look here actually. You can see here that these are winners that I share with you here in the beginning of this video. So look at this, modern name for supplement brand, for example. We have here 500, you can see here power site, this is for a name also. So people, ordinary people worldwide, they are making money here, okay? Now, if I go back to the top here, let's have a look at the active contests. So this is contest that is hot right now as I'm recording this video. Let's have a look at the first one here. $500 is guaranteed prize, okay? Intriguing name for women's fashion store. So this is interesting, okay? This we can apply for. Now you say, I'm not creative. Okay, I have the solution for you. Here it is. Go to namelix.com, and let's see what this was all about. This was women's fashion store. So let's type here fashion store women, and let's hit the generate. Do we want a short name, 3 to 6 letter, a medium names, or long names? So let's go with a short name, okay? It usually is harder, but you know, like Nike, for example. Look at this. Isn't this amazing, okay? We already have here a lot of opportunities, a lot we can actually apply for. Now we of course need to pick someone here, and the coolest part is that you see here we have also some logo designs, but you can also take the names here if you want to. Just take the names, okay? Now if they want, let's go a little bit lower here and have a look at something else here. Platform offering the next generation of technology purchasing. Let's see here what else is available. Powerful name for a home and lifestyle brand. Name for a tech platform. Intriguing name. Here we have something. Logo for Serenity Haven. So you can apply for both logos and names, as I said earlier. How do you do that? Look at this. This is $300 we can earn here if we apply for the logo. Totally free. Let me give you the site here. We just go to free logo design, okay? If we have the company name here, we can apply for it. So let's go back here and see. Let's see here, Serenity Haven, okay? So it is an assistant living facility, branding and identity logo, okay? Let's assume that it is Serenity Haven, the name here. So let's type here Serenity Haven, okay? And look at this, we have all the categories, okay? So I'm not going to go into details here, but let's say that it was spa and aesthetics, for example, and you hit the get started. And look at this. Isn't this amazing? Look at all the opportunities you have here, okay? So you can apply here with a lot of, just pick one, something that you think that is close to what they actually want or what you think is good, and you are done. It is as easy as that, my friends. That is all you have to do here. And you can see here that you have actually tons of opportunities that you can apply for. Right now, as I'm recording this video, there is 287 contests. So if you can't apply for all the 287, you can apply for 100, 150, 50, I don't know. It's up to you totally on how much effort you want to put in. But the more chance that you have that you can earn more money. All right? So there you have the strategy on how you can earn some PayPal money, how you can earn $600 or even more. Now, as I said in the beginning, if you are interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real long-term sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at. If you got some value here, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. Make sure you subscribe to both my YouTube channels that you're going to see at the end screen here. Hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship, much more. And you're also going to find another Make Money Online video recommendation at the end screen here. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.